Hello! Today we are going to be fixing this absolutely beautiful Siemens condenser cloth dryers that've got broken lint filter, and we are going to be comparing the Aliexpress replacement and the genuine one, plus I will give you a tip how to find correct replacement. So the first thing that you can see, we've got our brand and we've got the model number. And this is actually something that you don't want to use for searching, and that's because it is very heavily modified according to like a localization. So for example, one with German markings can have different model with the same unit that've got English one, but on the rear you've got a model number, and if you take a look at it, you can start dropping the end letters and numbers to go into the series, and you can find model that have got like a different program, but technically it will accept exactly the same parts, so you can find it that way. Let's take a look at our problem. So this is our filter and it's presenting like this. While I was waiting for the Aliexpress part, I was trying to fix it using tape duct, but it was absolutely horrible job and it didn't hold well. And this is our problem. On the pivot point, it just literally broke and we need a new one. Thankfully, on the Aliexpress, I managed to find exactly the same replacement. And if you would be interested and you've got exactly the same cloth dryer, you can use this number that you've got here to find a correct replacement. So let's unbox it and see how they stack and how they present next to each other. So here is our old one and our replacement. And if we take a look here, they are basically looking very similar. What I can see that the Chinese copy is less like rugged. You can see here we've got much more material. So I would say that they cut corners. And yeah, it is looking pretty bad. But it will definitely get the job done. The mesh is similar. Let's check how to open it. And this is how it's presenting. Here we've got our pivot points. And after some time, they will just snap. So, yeah, it's looking good. Let's check, will it fit? Of course, I put it wrong way. And it fit perfectly fine. Just take a look at this. So yeah, Aliexpress for the win. So as you can see, they are fitting perfectly fine, but I'm pretty sure that the Chinese knockoff will not last as long as the genuine one. But for the asking price, it is pretty good. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time and bye bye.